how to create an order form in Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now here we want to click on the search icon in the top right corner, and we're simply going to search for form builder. And I'll show you which application we're going to get. So we're going to get this 123 form builder and payments. And we want to click to add this to our site, and I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So just grant it permissions here, and this will automatically add it to our Wix site. Now we will need to click on settings here once it has been added to our Wix website, and we can choose to create a form here. So it's gonna load up a new page, and it will ask us what we want to create a form for, or what else can we do. We can actually go to forms directly here from the left hand side, and we can choose order form here. Now once we have selected order form, we want to customize the form here, and once we click on it, it's going to load up a page like so. We can explore request forms, application forms, financial forms, 1-2 people, and you will type out this information, so education, and explore. And after we have submitted this, it will actually let it just load here, so we can customize this order form. So for example, this is what it's going to look like. So the person will have to type out their name, the product that they want to get, and the delivery date here, as well as their address, and they can purchase it. So after we have set this up, we can also customize it to our liking here. So we can change the look of it itself, the label placement, and the design. And we can also add add-ons here. So MailChimp, Google Sheets, Dropbox, Google Calendar, so on and so forth. But basically, after we have set this up to our liking, we will have successfully created an order form in Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.